TEIRUBAAIJANAI. The grammar of TEIRUBAAIJANAI is mean that there is no time to be doing something. There is no time to be doing something. So how to use the grammar of TEIRUBAAIJANAI? In Japanese, you can use the grammar of TEIRUBAAIJANAI with the verb only. But when you use with the verb, you should change the verb to be the te form. And after that followed by iru. And after that followed by janai or dewanai. You can use both de by janai or by dewanai. It just has the same meaning, such as this is no time to be doing that or something. So remember that when you use, you can use with the verb only and should change the verb to be the te form. And after that followed by iru. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of TEIRUBAAIJANAI, the next we are going to see some example. The first example, 今は笑っている場合ではない。今は笑っている場合ではない。Which means that this is not an occasion for laughter. This is not an occasion for laughter. Let's consider in this example. In this example, they use the verb walau, right? Walau is mean laugh or laughing. But you change to be the te form. You can change walate, right? Walate. And after that followed by iru and followed by dewa nai. Walate iru by dewa nai. In this case, it means that when you do something seriously, but somebody is still laughing at you, or when in the case that it's normal to laugh, but otherwody just laughing, that means you can say walate iru by dewa nai, right? Instead of you to help somebody, right? But you just laugh instead. So in the case like this, you can say 今は笑っている場合ではない。Right? Let's see the next example. 今は悲しんでいる場合ではない。今は悲しんでいる場合ではない。Which means that this is no time to be sad. This is no time to be sad. In this case, we see that in here they use the verb kanashimu, right? Kanashimu. Kanashimu is mean they're sad or feeling no good. But when you change to be the te form, you change na kanashinde, kanashinde, and after you follow by iru and followed by dewa nai. So in this case, you can say 今は悲しんでいる場合ではない。Right? So it means that there is no time to be sad, or it's not the case to be sad, something like this. So when you do something and you feel sorry and you feel sad, right? But in that case, you should continue to do, right? For example, you do your business, do something, but you fall down, but you have to get up, right, and fight on. So you should not be sad. So in the case like that, you can say 悲しんでいる場合ではない, right? And you can say in both of them, you can say 悲しんでいる場合ではない, or you can say 悲しんでいる場合じゃない. It just had the same meaning. The next, 冗談を言ってる場合じゃない. 冗談を言ってる場合じゃない which means there is no time to be saying jokes. There is no time to be saying jokes. In this sentence, you see that they say it itteru, right? So in this word, it say you is mean say. You is mean e and follow right u, right? But you can change the te from itte, something like this. And after this, say followed by iru by janai. So you can say in this sentence like 冗談を言ってる場合じゃない There is no time to be saying jokes, right? For example, you do something seriously, or you take in examination, and your friends say something or just say joking with you, right? That is not the case to say joking. You have to say something good to your friends, right? So in the case like you can say 冗談を言ってる場合じゃない something like this. Or you can say in this sentence 冗談を言ってる場合ではない It just had the same meaning. Example しっかりして泣いている場合ではないしっかりして泣いている場合ではない which means that hold yourself together. There is not a time to be crying. Hold yourself together. There is not a time to be crying. You can see that in the sentence they say they use with the verb naku. Naku is mean cry. But if you change to be the te form, you can say naite, right? So in this they can say naite and followed by iru and then followed by de wa nai. So in this sentence you can say しっかりして泣いている場合ではない which means that hold yourself together is not a time to be crying, right? しっかりして which means that you should pay attention, you should focus, you should focus yourself, you should manage the problem, something like this. 泣いている場合ではない which means that it's not a time to be crying, right? So when you have some problem, you got some problem, so you are feeling no good about to fight on or to keep doing something on, right? So in the case that maybe somebody will say しっかりして which means hold yourself together or keep focus, something like this. 泣いている場合ではない It's not a time to be crying, something like this. You should fight on. You should keep doing something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of ている場合じゃない or ている場合ではない It just had the same meaning. If you don't know how to change the verb to be て you should learn another video clip how to change the verb to be ている Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。